Tired of the same old gunpowder weapons that have been around since the dinosaurs roamed the earth? Well, have no fear because we've got something truly amazing in store for you today. Introducing a whole new world of weapons that are so incredible they'll blow your mind, but not with gunpowder, of course. From deadly blades that are sharper than a samurai's katana to futuristic lasers that can take down a target from a mile away, we've got it all. And the best part? These weapons are so cool, they'll make James Bond jealous. So sit back, grab some popcorn, and get ready to witness the most mind-blowing weapons that don't need gunpowder. And trust us, you won't want to miss a single second of this action-packed video. Alright, let's start with number 10, Home-Built Gauss Rifle. Guns are great, don't get us wrong, but have you ever fired one of these? The grappling hook cannon is one of the most versatile and exciting weapons in the world of combat, and the best part, it doesn't even need gunpowder. With the grappling hook cannon, you can swing from buildings, climb mountains, and take down enemies with ease. It's the perfect weapon for anyone who wants to add a little excitement to their combat style. In fact, there's nothing quite like shooting a grappling hook cannon at your enemies and watching them get pulled off their feet. Something, right? Number 9. The Umarex Air Saber Elite X2. This is a weapon that's going to knock your socks off. Yep, the Air Saber Elite X2 uses compressed air to fire arrows at speeds up to 450 feet per second. That's faster than some bullet speeds, folks. And the best part, no messy gunpowder residue to deal with. Now you might be thinking, but wait, won't this thing be super heavy and hard to use? Think again. The Air Saber Elite X2 is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for all types of shooters from beginners to seasoned pros. And with its sleek and stylish design, you're sure to turn heads on the range. But enough talk, let's see this baby in action. Check out the incredible accuracy and power of the Air Saber Elite X2 as we take aim at some targets. How's that? Number 8. The Shotgun Hunting Slingshot Rifle. I get what you're thinking. You might be wondering, why to bother with a slingshot when I can just use a regular shotgun? Well, let me tell you, this is not your average slingshot. With the Shotgun Hunting Slingshot Rifle, you can take down prey with precision and accuracy without the noise and recoil of a traditional shotgun. Not to mention, it's more eco-friendly and can be used in areas where firearms are not permitted. The only thing you might be needing is some practice. Yes, with the right technique and practice, you'll be hitting your targets like a pro in no time. You can say, that's what makes it so rewarding. And let's not forget about the design of this weapon. It's sleek, lightweight, and easy to carry around. Plus, the Shotgun Hunting Slingshot Rifle comes in various colors and styles so you can match it with your hunting gear. Number 7. The Hunting Slingshot Rifle Flymars 2025. This one is another slingshot rifle, but with a slight twist. Unlike the rifle, which we talked about just before, this one packs a pretty serious punch to it. With a powerful elastic band and precision aiming system, you'll be hitting targets with deadly accuracy in no time. And speaking of accuracy, the Flymars 2025 is designed with the latest technology to ensure you never miss a shot. The built-in laser sight and rangefinder make it easy to aim and shoot with pinpoint accuracy. But that's not all. This slingshot rifle is also incredibly lightweight and easy to carry around. Whether you're trekking through the woods or stalking prey in the open fields, the Flymars 2025 won't weigh you down or slow you down. Cooler than the slingshot rifle, we saw it just before. Number 6. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow. Now this is something. If you're looking for something a little more exciting, a little more primal, the Mamba Reverse Crossbow. That's right, the Mamba Reverse Crossbow is a revolutionary weapon that harnesses the power of a traditional crossbow, but with a twist. One of the most incredible things about the Mamba Reverse Crossbow is its design. Unlike a traditional crossbow, the Mamba's limbs are located behind the trigger mechanism, giving it a sleek and modern look. But it's not just about aesthetics. This unique design also allows for more accurate shots and less noise. But what really sets the Mamba apart from other weapons is its power. With a draw weight of up to 250 pounds, this crossbow can fire bolts at a blistering speed of up to 450 feet per second, and that's some massive firepower. Number 5. RSX8 Sniper. Imagine being able to take down your targets with deadly precision, without the need for gunpowder. That's exactly what the RSX8 Sniper can do. It uses cutting-edge technology to harness the power of air to propel projectiles at lightning-fast speeds, making it one of the most accurate and powerful weapons on the market today. But that's not all that makes the RSX8 Sniper so amazing. It's also incredibly lightweight and easy to use, making it the perfect weapon for anyone looking to improve their accuracy and speed. Whether you're a seasoned marksman or a novice shooter, the RSX8 Sniper is sure to exceed your expectations. And let's not forget about the incredible range of the RSX8 Sniper. With its advanced optics and precision targeting system, you can hit your target from hundreds of yards away, even in the most challenging environments. Whether you're dealing with wind, rain, or low light conditions, the RSX8 Sniper is up to the challenge. Number 4. Lancehead Crossbow. Alright, here we have another crossbow. The Lancehead is literally a silent killer. Yeah, this thing packs huge firepower with zero noise. But what makes the Lancehead crossbow so special? For starters, it's incredibly easy to use. Unlike traditional bows, which require a great deal of skill and strength to master, the Lancehead crossbow can be operated by just about anyone. All you need to do is aim, pull the trigger, and watch as your bolt flies through the air with deadly precision. And you can't miss its versatility too. Whether you're out hunting in the wilderness or defending your home from intruders, this weapon is sure to get the job done. With its lightweight and compact design, you can take it with you anywhere you go, making it the perfect tool for any situation. Number 3. The Pocket Shot Arrow Kit. We should call it the all-in-one kit. With the ability to shoot arrows, slingshot pellets, and even fishing gear, this kit is the ultimate all-in-one hunting tool. Imagine being able to switch between hunting fish, birds, and small game without having to carry multiple weapons. The Pocket Shot Arrow Kit makes it all possible. But that's not all. The Pocket Shot Arrow Kit is also incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on all your outdoor adventures. No more lugging around heavy, bulky equipment that weighs you down. With the Pocket Shot Arrow Kit, you'll have a powerful weapon that fits right in your pocket. And even though it's all compact and efficient, that doesn't compromise on firepower. The Pocket Shot Arrow Kit is capable of firing arrows at an astonishing speed of up to 350 feet per second. That's faster than many traditional archery bows and close to many actual guns. Number 2. The Adirini Crossbow. Now this is where history and innovation collide to create one of the most amazing weapons ever crafted. The Adirini Crossbow has a rich history dating back to the Middle Ages, when it was used by armies in Europe and Asia to devastating effect. But what makes the Adirini Crossbow stand out from other weapons of its time is its remarkable design and engineering. Crafted from the finest materials and built to last, the Adirini Crossbow is a masterpiece of technology and ingenuity. Its precision-crafted components ensure accuracy and consistency, while its powerful limbs provide unmatched speed and force. But that's not all. The Adirini Crossbow also boasts a range of advanced features that make it a true wonder of modern engineering. From its adjustable sights and ergonomic grip to its innovative safety mechanisms and lightning-fast reloading, this crossbow is a weapon that delivers on all fronts. I mean, what else would you need on a crossbow? Number 1. Gamo TC35, TC45. We all love air guns, right? Well, here we have one of the most impressive air rifles on the market, the Gamo TC35 and TC45. If you're looking for a powerful air gun that can shoot accurately and reliably, then the Gamo TC series is for you. These rifles are designed to meet the needs of both hunters and target shooters, offering a combination of speed, accuracy, and power that is unmatched by other air guns. Now, why do we have the Gamo series in the first position in today's episode? You see, it's all because of its advanced gas piston technology. This system provides a smooth and consistent shooting experience, allowing you to focus on your target and achieve maximum accuracy with every shot. The gas piston also offers a number of advantages over traditional spring piston systems, including reduced recoil and noise, making the Gamo TC series a pleasure to shoot. So what do you think, huh? And that's a wrap, folks. Who knew that you didn't need gunpowder to create weapons that pack a punch? From futuristic lasers to ancient weapons, we've covered it all. So the next time you find yourself in a battle royale, remember that there are other options out there that don't involve the smell of gunpowder or the ringing in your ears. Who needs a traditional gun when you can have a weapon that's as cool as James Bond's gadgets? Just don't forget to practice your aim, because a weapon is only as good as its wielder. And speaking of cool weapons, we hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to see more exciting and informative content like this, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep on exploring the wild and wacky world of weapons.